Breaker 19. This ain't no plastic rig, boys. That's Diesel. And he's back in that big black Pete. I roll with a roar, not a whisper of whine. My cab shakes hell when I cross that line. Big black Pete with the heart of a beast. Chrome stacked breath blowing like a wild stampede. Ain't no touchscreen truck, no whisper ride. I shift with my boot and I drive with pride. That Jake brake growling like thunder and sin. If your windows ain't rattling, I ain't clocked in. So when you hear that whine turn into a growl, better clear the left lane, Diesel's on the prowl. Big black Pete and that Jake brake sound shake the ground when I roll into town. Them stacks blow smoke like a dragon breathing proud. You'll hear me coming like a freight train loud. Tail lights gone, CB lit, all 18 tires throwing grit. Roll the hammer down, let the brake scream proud. Big black Pete and the Jake brake sound. I got bugs on my teeth and grease on my soul. A fifth wheel click and a heart made of coal. Diesel on my boots, sweat in my sleeve. Ain't clocking out till that white line bleeds. Hog nose gleaming like a devil's grin, with a freight shaker crying, trying to catch my wind. I ain't hard to find, just follow the quake. That low down growl that real rigs make. You know the sound, that deep, throat-tearing snarl. Not that sissy hiss, I mean brave when I haul. Big black Pete and that Jake brake scream, waking up towns from a redneck dream. Rolling like thunder through the back road veins. Steel nerves, hot brakes, and coffee stains. Ain't no hybrid, ain't no toy. That's American steel bringing American noise. Clear the airwaves, crank it loud. Big black Pete and the Jake brake sound. Storm, border, gate, I haul with heart, and I park with scars, with a rig that sings better than them new age cars. Big black Pete and that Jake brake sound. If you ain't shook yet, just wait around. I roll past laws and I rumble proud, and every trucker knows when I roll into town. Diesel's back, no doubt allowed. Big black Pete and the Jake brake sound. That ain't thunder, son. That's me.